Hello YouTube, this is John. In this video I'm going to show you how to, in case we have an issue here. I just installed Windows and let me safe remove this hard drive. So I installed Windows, but I was not seeing the other drive. So in case you encounter this issue, let me disconnect also the iPad. So in case you encounter this issue, you're not seeing the other drive and you have and this is 256 GB hard drive in the PC. So what happens here, I want you to go to device manager. You go to manage. Then when you go to manage, you're going to go ahead and see this here. You're going to go to disk management. So when you go to disk management, it will show you that we have another partition called, as you can see, as I told you, it is a 256 GB, and we have our C drive that you see here, and the other drive doesn't have anything like a letter on it. So in our case here, you're going to go and right click, then you go to change letter. Then when you go here, you're going to add a letter. In our case, we're going to assign it with D, and I'm going to click OK. Then our disk will be able to show up here, and this is what we have here. Our disk is already red. I just changed Windows, and they have Windows 8.1. Could be in other Windows 11. It's the latest right now. So what I'm going to do here, the hard disk had crashed, so that's why I used this Windows so that it can quickly install. Then I'm going to go ahead and delete some files here, and this video was just to show you how to bring back your drive in case you're not seeing it after installing Windows. So thanks for watching. If this video is helpful, please subscribe to this channel. Have a nice time. Goodbye.